Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, two plasma cutter brands will be going head-to-head. We have the PRIMEWELD CUT50 portable plasma cutting torch and the Forney Easy Weld 251 plasma cutting torch. Plasma cutters are one of the best ways to cut through sheet metals such as steel, stainless steel, brass, and aluminum. With this work tool in your arsenal, you will be able to cut through metal with speed and precision as it burns through the metal with plasma. To get the best bang for your buck, we recommend getting an energy-efficient plasma cutter that doesn't cost too much. In today's video, we will be pitting two top-of-the-line plasma cutters, the PRIMEWELD CUT50 and the Forney Easy Weld 251, against each other in a battle of epic proportions. Both of these plasma cutters have earned 5 badges from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, attesting to their quality, durability, and performance. However, there's only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you are interested in other plasma cutters that we have reviewed, do check out our plasma cutter review video linked below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these plasma cutters will be going toe-to-toe with is their material and construction. Material and construction are two very important factors when choosing a plasma cutter. Some machines are bulky and industrial looking, which are perfect for factories and professional settings. Some plasma cutters, on the other hand, have more user-friendly designs that make them attractive choices for hobbyists and novices who are only starting to get acquainted with power tools and machines. The PRIMEWELD CUT50 is made of stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum, and other metals. Steel is stronger than aluminum, which means that this machine is much lighter than others without sacrificing durability and toughness. The Forney Easy Weld 251, though, is no slouch either, being made of all-metal case. Built to take the wear and tear of heavy-duty jobs, this machine will definitely hold its own for many years to come. In terms of material and design, the Forney Weld 251 has the edge over the competition, thanks to its more durable and rugged construction. It wins this category and earns the first point. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their power. Some plasma cutters need certain specifications of voltage in order to operate. For this reason, making sure that your plasma cutter's electric motor is powerful enough is highly important to ensure that you do not have any performance issues later on. Just like almost any other electric power tool, this power rating is generally given in amperes. As a rule of thumb, a higher rating in amperes results in better performance from your machine. Fortunately for both these plasma cutters, they are designed to withstand the very best of heavy-duty jobs. The PRIMEWELD CUT50 has 50-ampere dual-voltage plasma cutter that operates at both 110 and 220 volts, so you don't have to purchase a separate welder for specific voltage requirements. The Forney Easy Weld 251, on the other hand, has a weaker motor power at only 20 amperes. Aside from this, it also requires a 120-volt power source with no dual-voltage feature built in for convenience. The PRIMEWELD CUT50 is the clear winner in this category thanks to its extremely powerful power motor. That said, it earns 1 point and ties up the battle at 1-1. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their cutting thickness. Plasma cutters provide an effective way to cut both thin and thick materials. However, depending on the machine that you choose, they do have their limitations. For this reason, we'll be taking a deep dive as we compare these two machines' cutting thicknesses. As a general rule, however, different cutting thickness calls for different jobs, so it really depends on what your preferences and expectations are. The PRIMEWELD CUT50 cuts up to a half-inch thickness with a maximum severance thickness of 3/4 inches. Designed for both demanding industrial and construction work or home and hobby use, this will definitely come in handy for a variety of jobs. The Forney Easy Weld 251 is no slouch either, with its mild steel, aluminum, and stainless steel materials. This allows the machine to cut up to a 1/4 inch with ease. If it isn't yet obvious, this is thanks to its mild steel material, which you won't find in most plasma cutters on the market. Clearly, the Forney Easy Weld 251 is the better machine in terms of its cutting thickness. For this reason, we are giving it this round's point as it takes the lead with a score of 2-1. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their quality of cut. Plasma cutters that have the highest amperage settings produce incredible cuts. At minimum amperage, the cutter must expel most force to create the cuts, resulting in uneven or jagged edges. For this reason, the quality of the cut is essential because it can get the job done faster. As the quality of the cut can be determined by the amperage setting of the plasma cutter, it is clear-cut which machine can produce cleaner cuts. The PRIMEWELD CUT50 has a 50 ampere motor, which theoretically makes it a better plasma cutter than the Forney Easy Weld 251, which has a 20 ampere motor. However, as underpowered as the Forney machine is, it does make an attractive choice for people who are only starting out with their first plasma cutters. Its namesake Easy Weld actually delivers on this promise. Although both machines have strong motors that can produce clean and precise cuts, we will give this round to the PRIMEWELD CUT50, which goes the extra mile with its extra power. This leads us to a tie and leads us to a tiebreaker round for the last category. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their duty cycle. The duty cycle gives you a hint of how long you can use a plasma cutter without risking anything. It usually depends on the amperage of the operator, and it's usually suggested on the box in the form of a percentage. In general, however, a plasma cutter with a minimum duty cycle can run for a few minutes. So if most of your welding projects involve thicker metal, you should think about getting a plasma cutter with a longer duty cycle. The PRIMEWELD CUT50 fortunately boasts a wide range of options in terms of duty cycle. It is capable of going 60% at maximum rating with 120 or 240 volts. Aside from that, it can operate at full capacity at 23 amperes and 120 volts. If you're looking for a 240-volt option, you need not worry because it is also capable of going 100% at 40 amperes on 240 volts. The Forney Easy Weld 251, on the other hand, is not so impressive in this regard. It has a fixed duty cycle of 35% at 20 amperes. Although both machines are clearly behemoths of their own class, we will have to give the final point to the PRIMEWELD CUT50 for its advantage over the Forney Easy Weld 251 in terms of the sheer number of duty cycle options. It decisively wins this round and leaves the battle still trailing at 3-2. Finally, we have come to the end of this battle of plasma cutters between the PRIMEWELD CUT50 and the Forney Easy Weld 251. Even though it was a very tough fight, the PRIMEWELD CUT50 beats the Forney Easy Weld 251 by a narrow margin of 1 point. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these plasma cutters offer, there can only be one victor today, and the PRIMEWELD CUT50 has already claimed its throne as it awaits for yet one more battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the PRIMEWELD CUT50 portable plasma cutting torch and the Forney Easy Weld 251 plasma cutting torch has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next plasma cutter face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at thetrustedshoppingguide.com again soon.